most of the time you will feel that out of balance kind of mindset that you are feeling at the moment. The depth that you're looking for, it can come only when you go deep in the spiritual realm. Okay, so whatever spirituality is according to your understanding at the moment, go ahead and do that, jump into it, and then see the results. Do not try to overanalyze and just shun off things and say, okay, that is not what I can do. You're not there to decide. It's like you are at the starting point, and on the starting point only you are judging that, oh my god, I'll not be able to climb that Everest, so I'm not going to even step the foot forward. That's not how we actually move forward in life. Nobody has achieved anything in life by calculating the outcome. So please just take a leap of faith. Universe is there to back you up. God is there to back you up. It is happening in your mind for a reason. So just kind of explore why and what needs to be explored by. I am seeing that if you will be able to take that leap of faith that you're being asked to, then you will be coming out of that darkness kind of mindset. There is always a deep analysis going on in your mind that there is something that you're missing, something that needs to be understood by you. So just go for that calling now. Now is the time, because in the end, what I'm seeing is you will be able to be receptive to the universal understandings and messages highly. You might get aligned with the universal energies, might get aligned with godly energies, might get aligned with higher energy, which is good for you. You will be able to receive the messages clearly. And what will be the outcome in your 3D life that you're living day to day? I'm seeing you will be able to manage your relationships much better, because at the moment you might get confused now and then. So why this is happening is because there is a disbalance going on with your inner self and your outer self. You need to bring that balance by taking help from spirituality. Go ahead with whatever is calling you. It is going to be wonderful. Do not be afraid of the deeper things. It might just feel very mysterious, but I'll give you a very simple example and hope that will make sense to you. Just understanding this example will say it all. It's like whenever you sow a seed in soil, right? The seed would feel that it's all dark around the seed, okay? It can actually see nothing around. And when the seed starts growing, actually the roots start growing all the more down. So whenever God and universe wants you growing, and whenever you start soul searching, it might take you all the more down and deep, and you might feel that, oh my God, I was supposed to go up and I was supposed to rise somehow. I was supposed to feel better, but I'm feeling all the more down. But it is just a temporary depth digging, soul searching way of universe to make you understand when the roots go deep, only then the shoot comes out from this. So that is how the tree grows. So keep that in mind. If there is a phase that is going on in your life wherein you see a bit of darkness is there, you do not see the clarity, and you really question your motives, you question what your surroundings are and what is happening around you. Understand all of that is happening for a reason. Go and deep dive, try and find the solutions and find the answers that you've been ignoring since long by taking help from spirituality. The moment shoot comes out of that seed, you'll be connected all the more and you'll find the answers. You will be able to see the fresh air with a very fresh perspective. Okay, so I'm wishing you all the best for your spiritual journey ahead. I'll see you next. Bye-bye for now.